Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, and today we're stepping into the near future of European comfort and electrified mobility with the all-new Citroen E-C5 Aircross 2026. A vehicle that's not trying to shout for attention, but instead, quietly, redefines what relaxed, intelligent, and family-focused luxury can feel like in the electric era. And if you think electric SUVs are all about stiff rides and cold, tech-only cabins, stay with me for the next few minutes because this one might completely change your mind. From the very first glance, the 2026 E-C5 Aircross feels more mature and confident than ever. Wearing Citroen's latest design language with a sharper front fascia, slimmer LED matrix headlights, a wider grille area adapted for improved aerodynamics, and a sculpted body that balances SUV toughness with smooth, flowing lines. While redesigned alloy wheels and subtle blue accents hint at its electrified heart without going over the top. And around the back, a cleaner tailgate design with 3D LED taillights gives it a premium, almost concept car presence that fits perfectly into modern urban life. Step inside and Citroen's obsession with comfort immediately becomes obvious, as the cabin feels airy, minimalist, and incredibly welcoming. With upgraded soft-touch materials, recycled eco-friendly fabrics, and improved advanced comfort seats that feel more like a high-end lounge chair than a traditional car seat, offering better cushioning, ventilation, and long-distance support. While the redesigned dashboard houses a larger floating touchscreen, with faster software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation optimized for ev routes, and a fully digital instrument cluster that presents information clearly without overwhelming the driver. Space has always been a strength of the C5 Aircross, and the 2026 electric version continues that tradition with Janus Legroom, a flat rear floor thanks to the EV platform, sliding and reclining rear seats for maximum flexibility, and a practical cargo area that remains competitive even with the battery pack underneath, making it ideal for families, road trips, or daily commuting. Under the skin, the Citroen E-C5 Aircross 2026 is expected to ride on Stellantis' latest electric platform, offering multiple powertrain options depending on the market, including a fully electric variant with an estimated range of around 400 to 450 kilometers on a single charge. Powered by a smooth, quiet electric motor delivering instant torque for effortless city driving and confident highway merges, while select regions may also receive a plug-in hybrid version combining a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor for drivers who want electric driving during the week and gasoline freedom for long journeys. And performance here isn't about aggressive acceleration but rather seamless, refined motion, with tuned suspension that prioritizes comfort over harsh sportiness, especially thanks to Citroen's progressive hydraulic cushion system that absorbs bumps and broken roads better than most rivals in this segment. Charging has also been improved for 2026, with faster DC fast charging capability allowing the battery to reach around 80% in roughly 30 minutes under ideal conditions, while home AC charging overnight keeps daily ownership stress-free and simple. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the E-C5 Aircross 2026 is packed with modern technology, including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, 360-degree camera system, and advanced emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, all working together to make driving calmer and more confident rather than intrusive or overly aggressive. Citroen has also focused heavily on reducing noise, vibration, and harshness, using additional insulation, acoustic glass, and refined motor tuning so the cabin stays whisper quiet even at highway speeds, enhancing that signature Citroen comfort philosophy. In terms of pricing, the Citroen E-C5 Aircross 2026 is expected to start around $40,000 to $45,000 in the US market if introduced, with higher trims and larger battery options pushing the price upward, while plug-in hybrid versions may come in slightly lower depending on incentives. And speaking of incentives, eligibility for F-tax credits could make ownership even more attractive depending on regional regulations. As for the release date, Citroen is expected to officially unveil the production model in late 2025, with market availability rolling out through 2026. And while it may not chase extreme performance numbers or futuristic gimmicks, the E-C5 Aircross 2026 succeeds by focusing on what truly matters to real drivers: comfort, efficiency, practicality, and a stress-free driving experience. And that's exactly why this electric SUV deserves serious attention, especially if you value relaxed luxury over flashy trends. And here on Gravity Automotive, we believe the future of mobility isn't just about going faster, but about driving smarter and living more comfortably. And the Citroen E-C5 Aircross 2026 proves that sometimes the most impressive innovation is simply making everyday life better behind the wheel.